This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do 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 do.
It's Go Dogs for One.
Good morning, guys. Happy Family Day or Prison Day, whatever you guys call it. I don't know what you guys call it, but what's up, you guys? So it's Go Dogs for One. So right now I'm just trying to find my belt so I can head to my parents' place for lunch. I'm a little bit tired, but luckily. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a thumbs up. I don't know what we're going to be doing today. So, I guess that. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys see the pictures right here, we played some Catan, which is awesome. My sister won. Thank you. My sister and my brother-in-law for coming down. Thank you for Mom for making supper, and also I met lunch and Dad, and thank you for my sister for actually making supper tonight, which you guys saw before my lunch was actually the other stuff, which was really good stew. I think it was chicken stew. But right now I'm just gonna tomorrow I'm gonna do some dishes. I have a thing going on tomorrow, so I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up, and if you guys have any things that you guys want me to do, it's really cool. So hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a thumbs up. So talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Goodbye.